Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add checklist or checkbox to Google Form. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a Google Form and I'm going to show you how we can add checkbox to this Google Form. If you want to do that, first thing first, you can create question in your Google Form. I'm going to create this question, for example. How do you know this information? Okay, and I'm going to add checkboxes to the answer. We can click on multiple choice and click on checkboxes. And for the option one, I'm going to add Instagram. You can also add other checkboxes like this. Wait, I'm going to add YouTube. And then for the option 3, I'm going to add Facebook. Okay, and I think it's enough. Here I have 3 checkboxes. Alright guys, then that's all the way to add checkboxes to our Google form. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.